Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Madis Nutri Delish with Mama's Touch. Loaded with nutrition and flavors, today's recipe is extremely delicious soya keema veg roll. As I bring a variety of flavors and scrumptious recipes to your kitchen, do join me on this culinary adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button, share my recipes and subscribe my channel. If you are watching from Facebook, do follow my page for more such mouth-watering recipes from Madis Nutri Delish. So without further delay, let's get started and check out the recipe. As I take in healthier options in my recipes, I have taken whole wheat flour or atta. It's about 1 cup or 200 gram of whole wheat flour. Adding in quarter teaspoon of salt and sugar to taste. Out of 200 grams of flour, you can make 5 to 6 rolls at a time. Now add in 1 teaspoon of groundnut oil or refined oil. Nicely mix it. Now adding water in small proportion. Need a soft dough. Do not add excess water at a time, otherwise the dough may turn soggy. You can see my dough is ready. Now cover and allow it to rest for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, I would prepare a stuffing out of vegetables and soya granules. I have taken some finely chopped cabbage, capsicum, grated carrot, grated ginger and roughly chopped green chilies. You can also use red, yellow bell pepper. I have already soaked soya granules for 5 to 10 minutes and now cook it for just 2 minutes till it comes to a rolling boil. Using a strainer, completely drain off all the excess water. Wash it couple of times with cold water and keep it aside. Then into 1.5 tablespoon of hot oil, add in chopped cabbage, sauteing it on high flame for first 2 minutes till it's turned golden. Add in capsicum, grated carrots, ginger, green chilies, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it a nice mix and fry it on high flame for more 2 minutes. Then add in 1 tablespoon of soya sauce along with some water and then add in boiled soya granules. Give it a good mix. Do not overcook the veggies, they should have nice crunch. Then making a space at the center, add in a pinch of hing and then add in 1 tablespoon of Shahi Biryani masala for that wonderful flavor. As soya sauce contains lots of salt in it, I am adding less amount of salt and sugar to taste. At this stage you can also add tomato ketchup. Cook it for more 2 minutes on high flame. Lastly, garnish with a handful of coriander leaves. A delicious soya keema is ready. Now let's prepare cucumber salsa for juicy rolls. Firstly, chopping in a handful of coriander leaves and then peel off a cucumber and cut into thin slices and then getting it finely chopped. Adding in black salt and black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, mix it well and keep it aside. Half an hour later, the dough has turned more soft. As you can see, my fingers are easily getting into it. Now roll it and cut it into equal size balls. Coat it with some flour and using a rolling pin, roll it out into a large size thin roti. Try to roll out 3 or 4 rotis at a time for your convenience. Then let's preheat a tawa for 5 minutes and then reducing the flame to its lowest. Carefully place one roti on preheated tawa. Cook for 30 seconds and then flip. Adding in another roti on the top. Cook it again for 30 seconds on low flame. Repeat the process till the rotis get cooked from both sides. Then drizzling 1 teaspoon of oil for each. Fry each of the parathas till golden on high flame. It's a time-saving trick. Frying 2 or more parathas at a time not only saves time, but also you can have timeless soft parathas instantly. You can see those golden patches on the parathas, they are ready. Now take a food grade paper, place the paratha, add in cucumber mix which makes the roll more soft and juicy. Pack it with generous amount of soya keema and fold it nicely. My delicious soya keema roll is ready to serve. Serve it hot to have the best taste. These homemade rolls serve you with those street side flavors at your comfort zone. From children to adult, everyone would love this. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.